Now, question number 7. Question number 7 says solve this equation. So 7a, 2 to the power x equal to 16. Instead of 16, we can write 2 to the power 4. Okay, because after converting 16 as prime factors, that means after completing the prime factorization, we can find out this thing. Okay, so here we can say 2 to the power x equal to 2 to the power 4. So in equation, when base are same, then we can also say the power of index will be same. Question number B says 64 to the power x equal to 4. So 64, after converting this one as prime factors, or if we divide 64 by 4, because we know that there is 4 in another side, then what will happen? It will be 4 1 ja 4, remainder 2, 24, 4 6 ja 24, again 4 4 ja 16. So instead of 64, we can write 4 cubed. So 4 to the power thrice will be 4 to the power 1. So if both bases are same, then we can say the power also will be same. Then the final answer will be x equal to 1 by 3. Now question number C. 3 to the power x equal to 81. So instead of 81, we can write 3 to the power 4 because after converting 81 as prime factors, we will get this one. Okay. So 9 divided by 3 will be 3. So here 81 represents 3 to the power 4. So when base are same, then we can say power also will be same. Number D. 1 by 9 to the power x equal to 3. 1 by 9 represent 1 by 3 square to the power x equal to 3. 1 by 3 square represent 3 to the power minus 2, x equal to 3 to the power 1. So right now both base are same, so we can say power also will be same. Then final answer will be x equal to minus 1 by. Now question number E. Question number E says 2 to the power x equal to 1 by 8. Instead of 8, we can write that is 2 cube. Okay. So 1 by 2 cube represent 2 to the power minus 3. Now we can say both base are same. Then we can say the power also will be same. Now number F says 16 to the power x equal to 1 by 4. Instead of 16, we can write 4 square. So 4 to the power 2x equal to 1 by 4 means 4 to the power minus 1. So both bases are same. So power also will be same. Then x equal to minus 1 by 2. And that is the final answer of this problem. Now question number 8. 8a. 2a to the power minus 3 multiplied by 5a squared. So 2 5s are 10, a to the power minus 3. For multiplication sign, we need to add the power. So here the final answer will be 10, a to the power minus 1. Or we can write 10 by a. Now question number B, 3 by 4, a to the power 5 multiplied by 2 by 3, a to the power minus 2. So here 3 by 4, we need to multiply the fraction at first, then the algebraic term in that way. So 4 by 2 will be 2, 3 and 3 we can cancel down. 3 and 3 we can cancel, so we can find out 1 by 2. A to the power 5 minus 2 will be a cube. Now, question number C. Question number C says 3 divided by 10 a to the power 1 by 2 into 5 a to the power minus 1. So here 3 by 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by a to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So 10 by 5 will be 2. So here we can get 3 by 2 a to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 is the denominator, so 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 by 2. Question number D says 4 by 9 a to the power minus 5 multiplied by 6 a to the power 3 by 2. So we can write 4 by 9 multiplied by 6 multiplied by a to the power minus 5 plus 3 by 2. So here 9 and 6 both can be divisible by 3. So 3 to the 6, 3 3 is 9. So 4 to the 8 by 3, 8 to the power. Here minus 5 plus 3 will be 2 is the denominator. So minus 10 plus 3. So minus 7 by 2. Now question number 9. Question number 9 says 9a 9ab square by a cube to the power 1 by 2. Right now, a cube can be divisible by a, so we'll get a square here. So 9b square by a square. Now we need to multiply the power by 1 by 2. So 9 represents 3 square. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is only 1. So 3b by a will be the final answer of this problem. Now question number B. Question number B says a to the power 5 b square by 27 a square b to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3. Now a to the power 5 by a square will be a cube, b to the power 8 by b square will be b to the power 6. So 27 can be written as 3 cube multiplied by b to the power 6, and the numerator will be a to the power 3 or a cube. And the power will be multiplied by 1 by 3 because this 1 to the power 1 by 3. Now, if I multiply the power by power, then a to the power 3 into 1 by 3, 3 and 3 can cancel. So a will be the numerator. What will happen for 3 and b? So 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 will be 3 to the power 1. And b to the power 6 into 1 by 3 will be b square. So a by 3b square will be the final answer of question number B. Now question number C. Question number C. 9C says 5ab square by 15a square b to the power minus 2. Now 15 by 5 will be 3, a square by a will be a, b square by b will be b. So we can write b by 3a to the power minus 2. So right now, if we want to convert this negative sign to positive sign, then this one should be the reciprocal one. So b by 3a will be 3a by b to the power 2. Okay. So final answer will be 3 square, that is 9 a square by b square. Now question number D says 75 a to the power 8b divided by 3a square b to the power 5 to the power minus 1 by 2. 75 by 3 will be 25. A to the power 8 by a square will be a to the power 6. B to the power 5 by b will be b to the power 4. So here we can say 25 is 5 square into a to the power 6 by b to the power 4 to the power minus 1 by 2. After multiplying the power by power, the final answer will be 5 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2, that is 5 to the power minus 1. A to the power 6 into minus 1 by 2, that one will be a to the power 6 by 2, 3 minus 3. And b to the power 4 into minus half. So if it got 4 by 2, it will be b squared. So b to the power minus 2. Then our final answer will be, actually final answer will be b squared. And here the denominator will be 5a. Now question number 10. Question number 10 says simplify 10a. 4y square divided by 2y to the power minus 2. So 4 by 2 will be 2y to the power 2. We have to give a negative sign in power. So 2y to the power 2. For division sign minus 2. So final answer will be 2y to the power 2 plus 2, 4. So after A, we can start B, that is 2 by 5 y to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 y to the power 4. So 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 can be written as 2 by 5 into 5 by 1 and y to the power minus 3 minus 4. So after cancelling 5 by 5, we can find out 2y to the power minus 7, or we can write 2 by y to the power 7. Now, question number C. 10C says 5y to the power 1 by 2 divided by 10y to the power minus 1. So 5 divided by 10 will be 1 by 2. Y to the power 1 by 2. For division sign, we have to give a negative value. Y, and there is already minus 1. So 1 by 2 y to the power half plus 1. So final answer will be 1 by 2 y to the power 3 by 2. After solving 1 by 2 plus 1, we'll get 3 by 2. Now question number D. Question number D says 3 by 4 y to the power minus 2 divided by 3 by 5 y to the power 1 by 2. So at first 3 by 4, this division sign will be converted as multiplication, and we need to do the reciprocal of 3 by 5. That will be 5 by 3. Y to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So we can cancel 3 and 3. So here we get 5 by 4. Y to the power minus 2 into 2. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 by 2. And that is the solution of this chapter.